and welcome back to Dancer's Feed. My name is Allison, and today I'm going to be sharing a delicious and nutritious lentil soup recipe. Now, this recipe is perfect for fall, winter, early springtime, when it's pretty much cold outside, or you could enjoy it all year round the way I do. This recipe is only going to call for 5 main ingredients, most of which you may find already in your pantry, plus a couple of spices, oil, and water. Before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to Dancer's Feed so you can always stay up to date with incredible content. And also make sure you check out the website link below so you can read the blog, read the nutritional facts, and also get a hold of the recipe. So let's get started, and I'll see you at the end of the video. The 5 main ingredients this recipe calls for are cherry or grape tomatoes, 1 yellow onion, a few cloves of garlic, some tomato sauce, and of course, lentils. You're going to begin by roughly chopping up the yellow onion. Of course, you could dice the onion or even slice it, depending on what you prefer. Next, just slice up the tomatoes in half. And finally, smash up the garlic cloves so it releases all its juices and its intense flavor. Next, to a pot that's already on medium to high heat, add in about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. From here, put in the onions and give it a quick stir. Even add a little dash of salt to make the onion sweat and release its flavors. From there, just add in the tomatoes and the garlic. Again, give it a quick stir, add a little dash of salt if you want, and then cover the pot up and let these simmer. Once the tomatoes and onions cook for about 5 minutes, lift the lid and give them a quick stir. They should be caramelized at this point and give off a rich and yummy aroma. Add curry and cayenne pepper and whatever other spices you'd like to give this soup another level of deliciousness. I choose curry because I feel it sweetens any soup I add it to, but then I also add cayenne pepper because of its health benefits and because I like a little kick in my soup. If you don't like these spices, that's totally fine. You could skip them and the soup will taste delicious regardless. Actually, what you could do is add garlic salt to intensify the garlic flavor already in the soup. If the tomatoes and onions stick to the bottom of the pot, add a little water like I do here and stir. Next, add the tomato sauce to the pot and stir in some water. Finally, add the lentils to the mix, stir your ingredients, and reduce the flame to medium heat and let cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, so as these lentils are cooking, I wanted to go over a few nutritional facts with you. Number 1 cup of boiled lentils is going to give you approximately 18 grams of protein, which is phenomenal if you eat a plant-based diet. And number 2, with this recipe specifically, with the onions and tomatoes involved, you're going to get a really big boost of a whole bunch of vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin C, and also zinc, copper, manganese, phosphorus, and iron, which is phenomenal. So, I hope you enjoy this recipe, but before we end, let's get right back to the cooking. Once you let your lentils cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, give it a quick taste test. See if it's missing any salt, any spices. See, of course, if the lentils themselves are cooked. Here, I'm tasting it and I'm noticing, yes, the lentils are cooked, but I'm missing some salt and cayenne pepper. And again, I like a kick to my soup, so I'm definitely going to add more cayenne. Once this is done, you can turn the flame off and you are ready to enjoy your tomato lentil soup. It smells so good. Alright, I'm going to go enjoy this and I'm going to call my husband over so he could have some with me. I hope you guys try this recipe and I hope you love it just as much as I do. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment and like and also subscribe to Dancer's Feed. Until next time, thank you, dancers.